Guangdong MesPal Technology Co Limited, a holding subsidiary of Guangdong MesPal Power Company Limited, with a registered capital of 50 million Chinese yuan, operates R&D centers in Foshan, employing hundreds of high-caliber R&D professionals. MesPal consistently allocates over 10% of its annual revenue to R&D. Its factory, spanning over 10,000 square meters, features advanced automated production lines and renowned testing equipment. Guangdong MesPal has 12 years expertise in global solar PV and energy storage power stations. MesPal maintains a strong global network of sales and support offices. The company is dedicated to providing products including PV storage inverters, residential energy storage battery systems, all-in-one commercial, industrial energy storage systems, self-developed BMS and EMS. These products have earned international acclaim for their safety and stability. As a technology-oriented company, MesPal also provides comprehensive power system solutions for residential and commercial applications. For instance, it designs and builds integrated generation grid load storage energy systems. Complementing these systems, MesPal develops cutting-edge software technology for real-time monitoring and remote control via big data platforms, enabling efficient and intelligent energy dispatch across diverse scenarios such as households and industrial parks. MesPal insists on a customer-centric approach, guiding to customer satisfaction, adhering to a long-term vision and continuous technological innovation, committed to driving human progress and environmental sustainability, aims to make significant contributions in these areas. We are not merely a producer of products, but also a proactive champion of social responsibility and a builder of an eco-conscious future for our planet.